Hi, kings and queens. Someone wanted me to post a video about how I search for wigs. So, in this video, you're going to see how I do my thing. Stay tuned, rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope this helps you. Bye. Alright, this wig right here, it says it's HW Africa. It's a half wig. You look down. I like this color though. Available colors. Here go all the options. Sometimes you'll see a picture. Sometimes you don't. See, here is the okay, it's a half wig. Okay, but I like this color, so I'm going to look at the name of this color, and it says color DX4707. This kind of look like it, but as you can see, this says DX6804, so it's not the same, but it's an ombre. Gets a little dark and goes light, and I kind of like that. I don't see the DX404. You can't go wrong with a 1B something. I like 1B with a little color now. Let's see. Yeah, that's too light. This might be too much. Some wigs be looking too crazy. Let me see. This is pretty. Oh. Ooh, I don't like. Ooh. I might not get it now. Oh, I was gonna get it. But that is a determining factor. It's not constructed well. Can't. I can't do that. Put it back. This is how I look for wigs, y'all. Okay. We're back here. This is beautiful texture. Very natural. Constructed well in the back. I don't see any crazy gaps. In case the wind blow. It's alright. This is a half wig, I think, right? I'm trying to see if it's a half wig. Yes, half wig, synthetic. I would get this. You just wear your headband or something. Blends nicely. Outre, converted cap, girls trip, $23.99. Look at the colors. Dragon fruit. That's cute. Here go the other colors. The chai latte. Ooh, let's see. Do we see the chai? Oh, there you go. Right there it says chai latte. Oh, I don't know if I like that. It's too light. Look at these colors again. 1B30 is gonna be more my vibe. Ginger toffee. So I'm feeling ginger toffee and 1B30. Here is the 1B30. 1B30. It's more natural with a pop of color. And I said ginger toffee. Oh, there you go. Oh, this is one. This is a little darker. Oh, this is ginger toffee. Decisions. Make sure we put it back. So which one do y'all like? I like the highlights, a pop of color. This pops a little more. I'm feeling this. I'm not really a ginger girl like that. If I change the lighting, there you go. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, she's fluffy. I like that. See, I'm supposed to get makeup. That's it. But wavy baby, she's speaking to me. Oh, here she goes. Now this ain't getting what that picture was getting. Yeah, it's a lot. And this is how wigs do over time. They get all puffy. They get bigger and bigger. I'll pass. Hard pass. But this is beautiful. Out the box though. Pretty. Oh, this is speaking to me. It's wavy. I don't like the color though. I'll get a different color. I like the length. This is Water Waves. Oh, here is Water Waves. And let's look at the colors. This is 1B. Oh, I like this. Right here. No. Yeah, I need to be lighter than that. That's 2. I wish I saw a picture of it in this color. That's too light for me. See golden amber. I wish it was darker. It's too light. Chocolate swirl. How's the pattern on here? Let me see something real quick. It's supposed to have me. Okay, Tamika. She cute. But that pattern. Now I would buy this because it's a bowl for like videos. But it's not down here. This color is, yeah, some nice colors. Oh, it's a blue. A royal blue. This is a yellow. Do you see yellow? See lavender. Oh, that's a popping color. Oh, it is. Yeah. I'm not supposed to be getting any wigs. I'm not supposed to be. I'm getting too many wigs. Rose pink. Some pretty colors. Lavender. Mint. Ooh. I think I saw fiery red. Yeah, that'd be nice. Fire red. Let's see what it looks like. These are very bold. I wouldn't wear these colors out unless for a special reason. Alright, real quick. So this wig is cute too. Very pretty, thick layers. But it's looking kind of crazy. It's very thick, but it's cute though. Look at the part. Yeah, This looks very thick. This looks very thick. But beautiful style though.